Hi friends, what is up? We are hitting the road for Matagorda. We're gonna go hit it at the BGE fishing tournament and hopefully put some on the board this year. We'll see what happens. It's always a good time. Don't always have a full stringer to put on the board, but we'll see. Hopefully this year we can make something happen. We're going with the kayaks around. I'll be running the Diablo Chupacabra, which we got right here, all loaded up in the taco, ready to go. Truck is loaded down, something fierce. Obviously gotta have water. We got all the beer on the coolers inside though. Definitely more beer than water coming with, but water is a necessity in this heat. So we got the back loaded up, ready to rock on the taco. Luckily we didn't have to put anything up here. We are stacked on the inside. Both coolers loaded down, ready to get some ice up with beer. Luckily I don't have anybody riding with me, so I got room for all the rods, rod holders, paddles, oars, all that good stuff. So yeah, 2022 BGE fishing tournament. Let's get it.
Gladly taking these cooler temps with the coastal rains coming through. Left Austin and it was 100 degrees and we got some miles behind us. We're just a little over an hour out from Matagorda and it's dropped to 75, man. That's beautiful. It's been over 100 degrees every day for like the last 3-4 weeks in Austin, so I would gladly take this. Rain or shine, these temps are the best.
Oh shit. That's a dandy, dude.
Yeah.
Look at that guy.
Yeah.
That is
Solid.
Awesome, dude.
Solid red. It ran under the boat like 4 times.
Yeah.
I finally let it calm down enough to.
Oh yeah, he's a tank. Dude, that's good signs, man. Right after all that rain, too.
Oh man, it was awesome.
Oh, he's a beefy one. Look at the blue on the tail. That's gorgeous, dude. That's a good red.
Yeah, and I
Cheers,
measured it on
buddy.
that stick to see what it would measure.
Alrighty. Matagorda Base Camp 2022 BG fishing tournament with Dustin.
Yeah.
He's already on the board if we could register one early. Home away from home for the weekend. Dude, this is good sandy bottoms too.
Yeah.
Everything here has been nice. You headed straight through this first cut here, hey?
Yeah.
Is that where you were at?
That way.
And are you just dragging a shrimp while you're going?
No.
Oh.
I saw a school.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, well. I don't have my anchor with me. I left that in the truck like a dumbass, but... You just been playing drifts, or? All right, when I wasn't. Shit. Hey.
Shut it off.
Yeah, seriously. I was trying so hard. We got one. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. A little out that.
Hold it up. It's not. I mean, it's self.
Alrighty. Here's base camp.
Right. Yep.
Under the canopy. Got the kitchen set up. Good little cook spot. I don't even know if people can see anything on this thing right now. It's so damn dark. Let's see if it works. The things we do to catch some fish, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know if this GoPro is capturing anything in the dark, but I'm trying it.
Yeah.
Let's see for a little bit.
Hey, it's still part of the journey.
Exactly. Let's see if we get anything. Garrett, you leading us into an area that's shallow, Captain? I'm joking. I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, sorry. As I'm hitting your rods, my bad. Oh yeah, he's pulling. Woohoo! He's ripping some drag, boys. Yeah, this one's better, definitely. I haven't got to see him yet. I think he's pretty decent. Yeah, I might need a picture of this from somebody. He looks like he's, oh yeah, he's pulling me fucking drag. Spinning the kayak. I'm gonna let him get tired out, so as long as he stays on, but he's beefy, I think. Oh man. Here, I'm talking all this smack, you better be. Shit, yeah. Come on, buddy. Where are you at down there? Oh man, he is running this kayak. Dude, I haven't even gotten to see him yet. Look at this. He's fucking peeling some line. Oh, dude, it's gotta be a red. Just with the way it's fighting me. I haven't even gotten to the point of trying to get my net. If he's not as big as I think he is, I'm gonna be heartbroken. The hell is that? Oh yeah, it's a red. Oh yeah. He's a nice red. I don't know if he's as big as Dustin's, but I'll take him. Come on, buddy. He's in the net. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, buddy. Yeah, let's go. Sweet. He gobbled this. He gobbled this thing, buddy. Holy shit. Absolutely crushed these hooks. I gotta be able to get them out of the net here. See if I can squeeze him by the tail and get his front end out of here. Oh, come on. Buddy, how'd you do this?
How's your commentary going?
So far, so good. I think I dropped a few F-bombs. He slammed it, but he got me all boogered up. I'm almost tempted to just cut it. See, he's so close. Thanks for coming over here.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
There we go. Okay, got one. Just get this one. Head shaking. Oh, because I throw the other side of the hook in there.
How the fuck this anchor managed to get?
Oh, man. There we go. Holy shit. I'll give you my phone if you want.
Bump board?
Yeah. Picked up one of those bump boards as well.
Yeah, that one was like 14 bucks on Amazon. I was like, shit, yeah.
Thank you.
I netted that trout, and then I went to pick it up. I fucking chucked my net in the goddamn
Oh
hook.
no. He's 20, little over 24. 24 and a quarter.
Yeah, keep all day.
Sure, shit, yeah. Yep. I don't know if he's a keeper or not, but we'll see. Another red. Another red for the day. Come here, buddy. Give you a little camera view. A little showtime footage. That saltwater assassin. Chicken on a chain. They like that one, man. They love them some chicken on a chain. Oh yeah, yeah. There we go. All day. Let's see what he is for size. Pretty sure legal's 20, right? See, I thought it was 19 to 28, and then Garrett said it was 20 to 28. We'll have to check our regs. Yeah, he's like almost 19, so he ain't. He ain't nothing for the stringer, but get a picture of him anyways here. Hands are so wet trying to... Stingray, paper plate size. Up again. Woo! On that weedless saltwater assassins chicken on a chain. I don't know how I'm gonna land this guy. This kayak is up into the weeds. He is on the other side. If I could. Jeez. Oh man, he's a nice one. I don't know how we're gonna do this. I wish I could have that GoPro seeing what I'm seeing right now. He has just crushed this, running like no other. I'm gonna get him to tire out, because I don't know, it's gonna be a wild ride trying to land him. Dandy. He's a dandy. Let's see if I can bring him onto this side at all. Come on, buddy, come on. Woohoo! Letting the wind kick me around, getting up into all these weed beds, just trying to work them with some weedless hooks. Oh yeah. Oh, into the other one. Alright. Another one on the stringer already, buddy. Get you back here. Oh, right into the net. Yeah. Woo! Doggy. Oh man, another stud. Absolute stud. Hand around. Check this guy out. Look at this tank. What a red. Up in the weeds, just working them with these weedless saltwater assassins, man. Stellar. Absolutely stellar. Better view. Bait. Hell yeah. Oh man. Ooh, just like that, he's off. There we go. Oh, alright, we got another one. Ooh, yeah,
Crushed another pig. Look at this. Oh, spunk. Man, he is just a spunk. Can't let him do what the other one did to me. Jumping out of my hand straight into the water. But damn. Oh, dude, he inhaled it too. Another pig. Yeah. Here we go. It's a decent stringer so far. I will gladly take it. That's some Matagorda gold, if you ask me. Yeah. Yeah, it's a trout. Yeah. That's what we need. He's a better trout. Sweet.
Mm-hmm.
There's so much vegetation for that bait fish to hide in.
100%. This looks very promising. So it's raining again. The Javier's got a rock. Son of a. We actually just saw a massive black drum right over there, so hopefully we can get them. We can't even see our trucks anymore, so interesting. So here's the scenario. We just got absolutely drenched, downpour rains, but we saw like 6 big black drum, red drum tailing on the other side of this little island here. So, like any sensible fisherman would do, we jumped right into the water. We're crossing without trying to get these things to bite. Stay tuned.